Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import font to InShot application. Alright guys, here I have already created a project on my InShot application, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the text option, then tap on the text option again, and I'm just going to type random things. I'm going to type I love you. Okay, and if you want to import a font to your InShot application, you just need to click on this A button, and then you're going to click on this button, this one, or this upload icon, and you're going to upload a font from your device, and this is the font that I have just downloaded from the internet. Then we can just tap on the font like this and wait for a moment until the process has completed. Okay, and now as you can see that the font has been imported to our InShot application, then we can use the font to for our text, and after that we just need to click on this check mark button. And alright guys, that's how we can import font to InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.